Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to a Chart Nerd technical analysis video. Today we will be discussing VELO. The ticker is VELO against USDT on the daily time frame. I did post an update yesterday for you guys, yesterday evening, but there are some other signals or indicators that I've realized I want to cover and share with you guys. And one of these are the Gorian channel. This is what we have on our charts here. And when you're in this sort of green zone in the Gorian channel, you can see you're above the Gorian and you're in an uptrend. Now, when you start coming into the Gorian channel and losing it and flipping the switch into the red zone, which is what we did here back on the 17th of June, this normally indicates a strong downtrend. Now, what you'll notice is that we've had this double bottom that we've put in at the 0.07 that we've been monitoring. And since this double bottom higher low formation has occurred for VELO, we've actually started to get back above the Gorian channel and hold it as support whilst flipping green on the 27th of August. So what this potential indicator is telling me is that we've had the downtrend, we've had the bearish correction, we've built this double base, we've got back above the key levels of the Gorian channel, and we're looking for continuation here. And today, what you'll notice is on KuCoin and a couple other exchanges as well, VELO is actually wicked up to 0.019. So very close to our double bottom target. So if we get our double bottom neckline on here right now, we have this key level of previous resistance that we were now holding as support. So this is the double bottom right here. We've broke above the double bottom neckline. We've held it as support, and equally within doing so, we flipped green on the Gorian channel, and we've held the double bottom neckline, as well as, if I get the 20 EMA on, we've been holding the 20 EMA as well. So you've got the double bottom neckline as support, you've got the 20 EMA as support, we've flipped green on the Gorian channel, and we've indicated a bullish trend reversal switch on the 27th of August here, where we flipped from red in the Gorian to green. Now, when we did this switch from this bearish trend into this green bullish zone, what you'll notice is at the same time, within doing this, we retested the top band of the Gorian. So if we look at the Gorian channel here, you've got the top band, you've got this mid band, and you've got this lower band, right? So there's three bands. They are regression bands for the Gorian. And when you are in a trend or an uptrend or a downtrend, like if we zoom out to the left here a bit, where VELO's been in this massive uptrend, what you'll notice is that when you're in an uptrend in the Gorian, you tend to come down to the middle band and to the lower band. And when you do come down to these sort of Gorian channel retest zones in an uptrend, it just indicates bullish structure. So you see every time it sort of came back to the top band and the middle band in this uptrend throughout the start of 2024, we continued on further to newer highs. So when we do flip into green, this isn't a signal that should be ignored. And right now what's happened is we've got back above all of these levels on the Gorian channel on the daily time frame. We've got back above the top band, the mid band, and the lower band within this double bottom that we've been building from. So we are doing everything we need to right now in order to see continuation up to higher targets. And this is not a signal to be ignored. So again, just to confirm, we've managed to get ourselves back above all of these levels of resistance. We're holding the double bottom neckline, and we're holding the top of this Gorian channel that has just flipped into the green zone. And we're seeing really good relief off of these key levels of support. So it's all tying up to this break. This break was written in the charts. We had some sort of A, B, C correction back down to this level of support before continuing on here. Again, for me right now, what we're looking for, again, I was just going to keep it short and sweet today and show you that we're looking really, really good on the Gorian channel. We flipped into the green zone. We're above all of the regression band levels that we need to be. We're holding the double bottom support, and we're breaking out. What we need to see this week for VELO is a close out above 0.0168. We have to see the close out above it. We've seen the wick up to 0.019, but we want to see this candle close out above this level to negate any further potential downside. Okay, guys, we have to see this level broken. And right now, as I said, we have ran just shy of our double bottom technical target. So candle closes there. That's probably just about right. So what you'll notice is, in fact, I think we've near enough met this technical target. I think with this wick, we've ran up to the double bottom technical target. And that's going from the candle closes of resistance back down to the candle closes of support. So you'll notice, again, if I just get that on right there, we're going from the neckline of these candle closes on the double bottom back down to the candle close support levels. And when you do come up and initially break that level of resistance, our technical target has technically already been met. So this is why I said earlier on X, although we've had this wick up to 0.019, fantastic, and we have all of these bullish signals that are showing continuation for us here, this is a very key level of resistance we have to close above. If we can see the closeout above 0.0168, I think we're looking fantastic, and we could come in and actually fill this wick in and start pushing on to those 0.02 targets, which I've had for a long time on this double bottom, higher levels of support. We broke out of the double bottom, we've back tested the neckline for support, we've got the flip on the Gaussian channel, we're starting to break out here. Next for me is just closing above this 0.618 to make sure that we can start the continuation back up to this 0.028 high that we've fallen from. So that's a quick update for me today, guys. The Gaussian channel, we flipped bullish on the 27th of August. We're holding the top band right now as support. We've got the daily 20 EMA underneath us as support as well as this creeps up. So if we do see any retracements, you've got that as a support level. And we equally have 0.014 as key support on these previous highs that we've now broken out of. So if we do come back any further, 0.014 for support, the daily 20 EMA. And that's it from me, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's content from Chart Nerd TA. Take care. Peace out.